Welcome to our tutorial on using Lora in Stable Diffusion. If you are looking to enhance your image generation capabilities, come to the right place. Today we will guide you through the process of activating and utilizing low rank adaptation or Lora in Stable Diffusion, ensuring you ensuring you can create stunning visuals with ease. So first, what is LoRa? LoRa stands for low rank adaptation. It allows you to fine-tune large model like Stable Diffusion without the need for extensive retraining. Instead of modifying the entire model, LoRa adds a smaller set of new weights, making it faster and more efficient for specific tasks such as adapting styles and subjects. So, first install the LoRa extension. Begin by downloading the Lora extension from the official repository. This will allow you to integrate Lora into your Stable Diffusion setup seamlessly. Activate Lora in Stable Diffusion. Open your Stable Diffusion interface like automatic 11111. Navigate to settings and enable the Lora extension you just installed. Search for Lora model. Visit civitai.com to explore a variety of pre-trained LoRa model. You can search by style or subject to find what fits your project best. Download and implement model. Once you find a model you like, download it and load it into your Stable Diffusion interface. This will allow you to apply the model directly to your image generation task. Experiment and compare. Create image using both standard Stable Diffusion and with LoRa activated. This comparison will help you appreciate the quality and consistency improvement that LoRa brings to your output. Hardware consideration. If you are using a GTX 1660 Super, rest assured that it can handle LoRa effectively, allowing for a smooth operation without significant lag. By following these steps, you will unlock the potential of LoRa in Stable Diffusion, and enabling you to create high quality image tailored to your needs. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different models and settings to see what works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials that helps you to stay ahead in the world of AI and image generation. Happy creating!